Welcome to another Simple Dad Messenger tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your Messenger app is not opening on your Android phone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So if you're having issues where the Messenger app is stuck on the startup screen, then you can try the following steps to resolve this issue. So let me show you what steps to take in order to resolve this issue. So the first step which you should do is clear your cache and your data for your Messenger app. So to do this, you want to open up settings. Next, you want to scroll down until you see apps. Tap on it. Now you want to scroll down until you see Messenger. Once you see it, tap on that. Now you want to scroll down again until you see storage, tap on that. And now here you want to go ahead and tap on clear cache and clear data. This will give you a warning where all of its application data will be deleted permanently. So this includes all your files, settings, accounts, and database. So just make sure you know your login details for your Facebook account. So I'll tap on delete. This will now delete the data and the cache. So go ahead and tap on Messenger. So go ahead and test if this has resolved the issue with Messenger opening or not. Now, if that does not resolve the issue, then the second step is to uninstall the app and reinstall it. So to do this, you're going to go to your Play Store. Here you're searching for Messenger. Once you've found Messenger on your Play Store, tap on uninstall. Then tap on uninstall again. Once that's uninstalled, go ahead and tap on install. This will install the Messenger app. Once that's installed, go ahead and tap on open and see if Messenger app is opening up for you or not. Now, if uninstalling and reinstalling the app doesn't resolve the issue, then the third step is to downgrade your app to the version before. So to do this, you want to go to your Play Store, uninstall the current version. So tap on uninstall, uninstall. Now once that's uninstalled, you want to open up Google Chrome, search for Messenger APK. So in the search results, you're looking for the Messenger app. So scroll down until you go past these sponsored ads. Here, tap on APK Pure, tap on that link. This will now take you to the Facebook link for the APK. Scroll down. And now this will show you all the old versions of Messenger. So go ahead and select any of them and tap on download. Now tap on download variant APKs. Now scroll down again and select the version which you want. So I'll tap on this first link here. Now scroll down again and then tap on download APK. As you can see at the top here, it's downloading the APK. Tap on details. And now you'll see the Messenger app being downloaded. Go ahead and tap on it once it's done and then tap on install. Now let that install. And once that's installed, then go ahead and test if your Messenger app is opening or not. So tap on open. And there you go, the Messenger app is opening. Now, if all the steps does not still resolve your issue, then the only alternative is to find another app. So you can do this by going to your Play Store, search for Messenger Lite, and you can try any of these. However, do note they're not from Facebook, so you're trying this at your own risk. And there you go, that is how to fix the issue where your Messenger app is not opening on your Android phone. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.